familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Hey YouTubers, how are you guys? This is Newton here. Welcome to my channel Light Programmer. Today's topic is functions. Okay, let's go to the Visual Studio. Function block begins with def keyword and followed by the name of it, name of the function, and the parenthesis with a colon, and then next line there is an indent of 4 spaces. So we are printing it hello light programmer. After defining a function, then you need to call a function. All right, so for calling, just like this, you need to call like name of the function with a parenthesis. After running this program, you can see hello light programmer. All right, so this is how it is, the functions. Let's go into deeper right now. Okay, all right, so functions a value, function can print. Let's try. Function returns the value, function can print the value. We'll try with the return function over here. So we are making as a sum over here, we are calling that sum. We are passing 2 arguments in here, 1 and 2. These are integers. So when you return this, you are going to get a plus b. So 1 plus 2, what should be the output? It's 3. As you can see, 1 pass arguments takes arguments as 1 a, and b takes as arguments as 2, whatever that we have designed over here. If you don't give 2 of them, it will throw an error. As you can see, missing 1 required argument b, so it will take whatever the value that you pass, it will take as a first argument, like whatever that is 2. So let's go to the next, it's print, right? So we are going to run this program. As you can see, I didn't assign any value to it. Before I assigned to that to a output. After that I am printing it. But here we don't have to assign for it anything. We just have to call for that, and we can pass whatever the data type that you are passing over here, but it should mandatory do this job. All right, so it should do this plus. Okay, so if I run this program, as you can see, hello python exclamation mark has been typecast. So let's go to the next one. It's a lambda function. There is a anonymous function, lambda function. We'll go through this a simple first, then we'll go for list type. Okay, so if we do this, like I've created a function. First I'll run this program. Okay, I'll run and I'll explain to you what it is printing. It is printing 15, right? So I have made a function, and then I am assigning to x. So x acts like a function, right? If you print x, for example, if you print x, you can see over here there is a function, lambda function. So what we are doing is that we are creating a function using lambda. In this, taking one argument, and that argument returns this value, a plus 10. All right, so after this I'm going to pass one value. So if I pass 5 over here, 5 will be assigned to a, and then a plus 10, 5 plus 10, it is 15. That is what you can see over here if you run this. So we'll go for the next list type for the lambda function. I have created a list over here 3 4 6 8. The lambda function that I wanted to do is square of this whole uh, of this whole list. All right, so I'm going through each and every element inside the list and then assigning to a function. So I'm passing this argument over here, so it will take 1 3, square it 4, and then square it, and so on. If I run this program, as you can see, 3 square, 4 square, 6 square, and 8 square. That's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and click on bell icon.
Zombie apocalypse.